Atlantic City, or Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. Across the water is Morehead. See if we can catch some fish. About to get wavy. Hold on. Nah, my bad, dude. Easy. Still no clue I'm here. There we go. Oh. Easy now, dude. Come on. Got a little sea bass. I moved over to that the sheep's head hook. Ooh. You can grab that one. That one's got a little size to it. That a sea bass? Is that perch you talking about? It kind of looks like a bass.
Can't see it. It's not a perch. Perch lighter than that.
It looks like a bass.
Oh, that got rough. Yeah.
There you go.
I'm gonna take a picture of that.
Yes, sir. There's your little snack for the road. Ripping lips. That's what I'm getting them on mullet. What the frick? Dude, a bait fish just jumped in my kayak. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was a crab on my nuts. Where'd he go? Look at that. Little tiny dude just jumped in my kayak. That scared the crap out of me. Oh, can you see him? Yeah. As soon as the GoPro overheats, it's something with a little size. Dude, thing looks like ancient. Look at that gut. Wow, has he got teeth?
Got some little, some grinders on it.
Yeah. Wow.
Actually, that's all right.
You good?
I think so.
Decent. Oh yeah. That's a wicked looking fish. Well, heck yeah.
Ah, damn.
Did he get you?
Yeah. Let me see them flowers.
What you got? Has he got teeth in there?
Maybe see my neck spaz out.
Yeah.
I was like,
Oh, yeah.
shoot.
It's a weird looking belly on him.
I know.
Heck yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, what is that? I mean,
Dude, it looks like a, what are them things called down in Florida? Crap. The gar or the Arapama? You know what I'm talking about?
Arapama?
The tail looks like it, but the front end looks like a catfish.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Huh.
Get a picture of this thing.
I got it. I'm getting the video right now. Heck yeah.
All right, buddy. Let's put you back in the ocean.
I thought it was That's a big dude.
That's awesome.
Did you go check it out over there?
It's super shallow.
Is it? Okay.